Welcome to BKB Precision at the Science Park Eckersrecht Son. Our speciality: complex and accurate machining of high-performance plastics to customer specification. Our motto: make the impossible possible with engineering plastics. Our hall is acclimatized in temperature and humidity. Our Portatec milling machine, 6.5 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, 28 tons on 3 legs. Result: highly accurate products. Some preparations remain manual craftsmanship. A good turning and milling program is the first step towards efficient and accurate machining. Hemlow Machining Centres, fully robotised and automated for 24/7 production, suitable for 5-axis simultaneous machining. Quality measured. Okuma turn and milling machine, bar feeder for automatic production, machining accuracy up to 3 micrometers. Assembly of your parts is possible, if desired, under clean room conditions. Thank you for joining us in this tour within BKB Precision, high-performance plastics machining.